installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely and devilish co-host, Dr. Ross.
How you doing?
Let's get straight into our hot topics for today. As you guys know, our bureau has helped us with getting these hot topics.
Exactly. We've talked to them and we've discussed with our, like the Black King was saying, and that's how we got our Bible. And let's get into the first topic. We have Cardi files for a divorce from OffSet after 3 years. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Like you cut, G.
Her name sounds like collard greens to me, first of all. And second of all, Dr. Ross, when the child grows up, obviously they're probably going to put the father OffSet on that TV show where they say if you are the father or not.
When it comes to 1-year-old Dante, Pierre, you are the father.
All I want to say is, Cardi B, hit the kid up. And OffSet,
Get back on set.
exactly, because we don't know what you're doing right now. If it's off link, off chain, set up, turn on, whatever it is, but you already knew from the get-go, Cardi B, once you guys both started making money, there was going to be some issues. And taking the money out of the refrigerator, and we just want to say, Cardi B, you were one of our She's Hot winners. So obviously that is a step up. You got your grill fixed, you got your body looking great, you got a lot prettier, and you have that cha-ching in the bank. Think about it, Cardi B. Are you really going to be with anyone?
Especially with you in Atlanta.
Exactly.
You already know, the second you got your grill fixed and got your body in shape, obviously they were going to be way better men than the OffSet over here, or the Offlink, whatever his name is.
On to our next hot topic, because Cardi B, you already know what's cooking, you already know how the deal is, how the hustle is. We don't have to say too much for you. But speaking about Cardi B, Billboard, if you don't know what Billboard is, they rank
Cardi B as the #1 spot on the top 100 playlist.
Exactly.
So Cardi B, congratulations.
with Megan Thee Stallion.
That's right, Dr. Ross. We'd love to do a collaboration with you. Let's work on some music. That's for you, Cardi B. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So Miley Cyrus gets toned in a sports bra, mini shorts, and a moonbeam sneakers. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Miley Cyrus, you could do all you want, you still look ratchet. But obviously, you have millions in the bank, so you could do whatever you want right now. And with Miss Miley Cyrus and the family, how you do? Let's move into our next hot topic.
How you doing? Just had to make the shirt from Wendy Williams,
That's
or
right.
the Friends. But let's get into our next hot topic. Kylie Jenner, you are a billionaire, we still love you, but Kendall Jenner, she's doing everything. She's trying all of it, she's trying to get into the spotlight. Kendall Jenner recently comes out saying that she's a stoner.
No cap.
Right now, to keep in shape, she's probably eating mustard and doing all sorts of drugs.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
And Miss Kendall Jenner, you're so scandalous that you should be the NBA.
I got you, homie.
With an attitude.
That's
what
right.
it could be.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
Because you just own the whole basketball team. You've been with every single basketball player, and not even from the same team. You've been on jumping from team to team to team. You should just buy your own basketball court
That's
and
right.
your basketball team.
That's why we voted you and the whole Kardashian clan as the winners for the She's Hot contest. Because obviously, everyone in there, except for Coco, is very scandalous.
Coco is still scandalous, but she's, like Black King Sebastian was saying, a little bit calmer than the rest of the scandalous ones. But let's get into our next hot topic. Apparently, Tyra Banks fans were blasted on Twitter because Tyra Banks is going to be the new Dancing with the Stars host starting Monday. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Who knows, Dr. Ross? We haven't seen it yet. I know some people are going to be biased and have their own opinions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And obviously, Dr. Ross, Tyra Banks, she is a supermodel and a super mom. She has had her own TV show, as well as she's probably been on hundreds of different talk shows.
Exactly. And she's been in multiple different shows, and hosting is not going to be that hard. All you got to say is, next contestant, Tyra Banks will go out there styling and profiling. You do you, Tyra.
That's
and your
right.
fans keep blasting away on Twitter.
This is a piece of cake for her. Dr. Ross and I could do this.
On to-
And Miss Tyra Banks, before we move on, we'd love for you to invest into the Dolomite shades,
Exactly.
the Rasta Jamaican hair gel, as well as the Jamaican sandals. Let's move into our horoscope for today.
Nigga.
What?
Before we get into the horoscope for Virgos today, we just want to talk about Patrick Mahomes says proposing to Brittany Matthews, his longtime girlfriend, was more nerve-wracking than the Super Bowl. What are your thoughts about this, Blacking Sebastian?
First of all, Patrick Mahomes, you aren't going to win the Super Bowl. And second of all, last time you won the Super Bowl, that was off of a whim. You only won because you were at the right place at the right time.
Exactly.
Dr. Ross and I aren't even going to call it luck. And second of all, Patrick Mahomes, you don't even throw straight. You run with the doll's legs, and you don't look like you're fit for the football.
Exactly.
And now, we're not saying anything bad about you, Patrick Mahomes, but you need to stop. And with this new girl you're getting, it seems like you're begging her just to be there.
Because
You're-
we've seen you get proposed. It's been saying that you've been proposing to the same girl 20 times. Are you switching out girls, Patrick Mahomes? Because if you were switching out girls, now that would be a pimp player move.
But he's probably not.
Exactly. You're sticking to a basic girl that you could buy a girlfriend, Patrick Mahomes. Proposing to her every single week, have to beg her, and you're a millionaire. How's that sound, G?
Right now, it just sounds that Patrick Mahomes is most likely she's only there to get a little bit of cheddar out of his pocket. Because you already know, she's there before he loses all of his money from spending it all on the houses and cars before he even gets through this next Super Bowl. Which they're
Exactly.
probably going to cut his pay down. Thumbs down, Patrick Mahomes.
Let's get straight into today's horoscope.
Today's horoscope is Virgo. A meeting might seem like it's about to run off the tracks, but some quick reasoning and quick witticisms on your part will save the day and get everybody going in the right direction. To all of our Virgos whose birthday is today, happy birthday.
Happy
Congratulations. These were all of our hot topics and our horoscope for today.
Before we close it off, I do want to mention, once again, Miss Tyra Banks, we see you modeling stunning, as always. You know, Blacking Sebastian and I have the rose and gold shoes, the rose and gold hat, and the Dolomite shades.
That's right, as well as the Jamaican hair gel and clothing line.
Exactly. And by the way, just because Patrick Mahomes, just because we spoke of you and because you have $1 million, we know you ain't got nothing better to do, so buy you some of the Jamaican Rasta hair gel and Jamaican rose and gold products because we know you would look good in some dreads.
Invest into roseandgold.us. Dr. Ross and I.
Exactly.
These were all our hot topics, but that's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out.
Eggman nigga.
A word of advice, Mr. Patrick Mahomes. First of all, you just bought yourself a car, a house, and you bought yourself a wife.
Exactly.
But you're a young buck. You haven't done anything. You haven't lived your life at all. So, Patrick Mahomes, invest into the Jamaican hair gel and the
All of
shampoo.
the Jamaican products, basically. Let's hook you up, Patrick Mahomes. Because this is sad. Like Blacking Sebastian was saying, you're just a boy right now, and you're getting married way too fast. At least Tiger Woods, if you want to compare it to someone who got ran over by a saber-toothed tiger, at least Tiger Woods waited a minute before he got married. You just started, you're probably never going to see the money, and you're already getting married to your high school sweetheart. Enough about Mahomes, but like we said, put your money where your mouth is. Let's close it off, Black King Sebastian.
These were all of our hot topics and our horoscope for today. We'll do the Ask Dr. Ross on our next installment of Rose and Gold.
Exactly.
That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
And before we close it off, I do want to mention that the She's Hot contest is coming up, and you already know that all of the vixens are in line right now, waiting to be chosen for the next She's Hot winner.
That's right. We'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out.